Maipit.
Maipit lang yung kamay mo, friends.
Open mo, Lola. Open mo, Lola. Lola, pasok si Lola.
Mamay.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Prince, huwag maglaro dyan. La.
Sa media, kaugnay pa rin sa mga mainit na issue ukol po sa August 23 hostage drama. At dito po mahagi ng pag-aarap sa media ng
Until namin, hindi na namin bringing to your attention, which I corrected him on that problem. So, and somewhere along that process, I was also reading two of the broadsheets, and afterwards,
Bakit?
Anoy.
Oh.
Anoy.
difficult to ignore all of these text messages. So, get newspapers first before the cell phone. And one of the first two messages was about the hostage taking situation. So I managed to turn on the TV when they were just setting up yung equipment by the negotiators. If you remember, they were bringing monoblock tables and chairs. So it was before that I caught parang this incident. At which point, for turning on, after getting the text messages, I called up Director General Person. I asked him to the ground.
Say bye-bye.
And that's when I was in
Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ground commander. And General Santiago was present to back up General Martinez. So, I guess that was up until before 11 or thereabouts when I turned on the TV set. And from there, I made numerous phone calls to so many partners. Lahat naman ng mga ikaw na yun. Some point in the day, I talked to Secretary I asked